In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add script in Bluestacks. When people talk about adding a script in Bluestacks, they're usually referring to using the built-in macro manager. Instead of writing or injecting code, you record your taps and clicks and then play them back automatically. It's simple, reliable, and perfect for repeating routine actions in games or apps. Start by launching BlueStacks 5 and landing on the home screen. Being on the home screen gives you a clean starting point so the macro replays consistently later. Next, open the macro manager. You'll find it on the right side toolbar. Click the record macro icon, the small filled circle. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 7 to open it instantly. This is your control center for recording, saving, and running everything you create. With the macro manager open, click Record New Macro. Now perform the exact actions you want BlueStacks to repeat. Tap, click, navigate. Do it just as you normally would. Keep a steady pace and try to avoid extra movement or hesitation because the macro will mirror your timing. If your task needs brief pauses, like waiting for a screen to load, include those pauses during recording so the playback lines up correctly. When you're finished, click the stop button, the small square to end the capture. You'll be prompted to save your recording. Give it a clear, memorable name like Auto Farm or Daily Login so you can find it easily later. Naming matters if you plan to create multiple macros for different tasks. Click Save to lock it in. To run your script, open the macro manager again via the toolbar icon or the same keyboard shortcut. Make sure the app or game you want to automate is on screen and ready. Select your saved macro and press play. You should see your actions replay exactly. Same taps, same order, same timing. If anything seems off, maybe a button moved or your app window size changed, stop playback, return to the same layout you used while recording, and try again. Consistent resolution and window size help macros hit the right spots every time. That's it. You've just added a script to BlueStacks using the macro manager. Record your actions, save them with a clear name, and play them back whenever you need a task automated. It's quick, it's built in, and it saves a ton of time.